In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit ad groups in Google Ads. If you're looking to optimize your advertising campaigns or make adjustments to your existing ad groups, you're in the right place. We'll walk through this process step by step to ensure you feel comfortable and confident making these changes. First, you'll need to navigate to the Google Ads main page. If you're not yet signed in, go ahead and log in with your credentials. Once you're on the overview page, you'll see a broad summary of your account's performance. This is your hub for all activities within Google Ads. The next step is to click on the Campaigns tab on the left-hand side of your screen. This section holds all your active, paused, or completed campaigns. By selecting campaigns, you are opening up a world of detailed insights and options for fine-tuning your advertisements. Now, you need to find the specific ad group you want to edit. To do this, simply click on Add Groups under your chosen campaign. This will list all ad groups linked to the campaign, allowing you to make detailed changes to each one as needed. This tab is crucial because it lets you target your ads more precisely, adjust your budget, and update your keywords. Once you are in the ad groups section, direct your attention to the settings icon, typically represented by a gear symbol. Clicking this icon will open up the settings menu, where you can begin customizing various aspects of your ad group. If you're unsure which icon to look for, take a glance towards the top right of the ad group interface. From here, you might want to change the name of your ad group. Simply click on the ad group name field and enter the new name. Naming conventions can help keep your campaigns organized, especially when you're running multiple ads simultaneously. Clear, descriptive names will make tracking and analyzing performance statistics much easier down the road. Next, expand the additional settings section. This is where you'll find options for even more fine-tuned control over how and where your ads are displayed. It's the perfect spot to make small, impactful changes without overhauling your entire campaign. Within the additional settings, you'll also find the ad group URL options. Here, you can define custom parameters that track the URLs within your ad group. This feature is crucial for acquiring detailed performance data on how users are interacting with your links. Lastly, look at the ad rotation setting. This determines how your ads are delivered within the ad group. Google offers various rotation options, making this a powerful tool to test and analyze how different ads perform under various conditions. Emphasizing understanding and experimenting with ad rotation can lead to insightful data, helping maximize ad performance over time. That's everything you need to know about editing ad groups in Google Ads. With these steps, you'll be able to tailor your ads to better meet your business objectives and refine your targeting strategy. Thanks for tuning in, and happy advertising.